Basic English versus Advanced English. Let's get started. The child is playing. The child is frolicking. She is a nice teacher. She is an amiable educator. He was hungry. The morning is tall. The morning is towering. The water is clean. The water is pristine. The cat is sleepy. The cat is lethargic. The view is amazing. The panorama is breathtaking. The story is funny. The tale is hilarious. The train is late. The locomotive is delayed. The phone is broken. The device is malfunctioning. He was tired after work. He was exhausted after work. The bag is very heavy. The bag is cumbersome. She looks beautiful. She looks stunning. The room was empty. The room was vacant. This road is long. This road is extensive. The sky is blue. The sky is cerulean. The food is tasty. The cuisine is delectable. The painting is good. The painting is masterful. The air is fresh. The air is invigorating. The shirt is soft. The fabric is velvety. The soup is hot. The soup is scorching. The water is cold. The water is frigid. The book is new. The book is novel. The answer is clear. The answer is unequivocal. She gave a big smile. She beamed radiantly. The view is nice. The vista is splendid. He is rich. He is affluent. She is poor. She is indigent. The night was quiet. The night was tranquil. He feels sad. He feels melancholic. The boy was scared. The boy was petrified. She is a brave woman. She is a valiant woman. The dog is very weak. The dog is frail. The story is interesting. This narrative is captivating. The car is very cold. The car is antiquated. The house is big. The mansion is colossal. She is very happy. She is jubilant. The weather is bad. The weather is detrimental. He runs fast. He sprints swiftly. The problem is hard. The problem is arduous. Respected guys, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. May God bless you. Amen.